Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing video. I have this lovely beauty from Coach right here, and I'm going to be doing the unboxing. And I just wanted to talk to you girls about that really quick. So if you like Coach videos and you want to see my unboxing, you guys know what it is I'm unboxing already. So let's go ahead, let's get right into it. So here is this beautiful little bag. It's a satchel. And girls, let me tell you, I did go ahead and pick up I would say the classic color of this beautiful bag, but I also went ahead and picked it up in a very lovely color. And I'll be doing that unboxing pretty soon. I'm not sure which one of these videos will come first, but I mean, I just wanted to add some variety of different color in my collection. I mean, this bag, I know I've seen all around. A lot of people have it. And initially when I ordered this baby, or when I was in the store or when I ordered it online, I wanted to pick it up with the what color is that? It's like a redwood color, you know, a brown, all leather pebbled on the side. That one unfortunately was sold out and I didn't want to wait. I'm happy with this one. This one matches a lot of things in my wardrobe, as well as some boots, my Coach boots. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So here are my Coach boots. And these are the Royce Coach boots, and this bag will match perfectly. So I decided not to wait for them to go ahead and restock that other color. There's other, you know, handbags that I have in that color, but this will go very nicely. Here's my Royce boot right here, and this will match pretty good, in my opinion, with my Royce boots. So I just figured I would pick up this particular one, and that way I could go ahead and wear it with these boots. So I think this is going to look really, really cute together, and here they are. And like I said, it's not a perfect match, but Coach signature, you get it. You get the idea. So this is how I'm going to be wearing this. And I think this is going to look so cute with like my little fur vest that I have on, or like with a leather jacket. And this is the Kacey Satchel. So there's the Katy Satchel, like right here, the Katy Satchel, and then the Kacey Satchel. So I think this brown signature is very nice because it's not all brown signature. It's going to look so cute. Let's go ahead, stay with me for a minute. Let me go ahead and finish unwrapping her so we can take a better look at her. So here she is, you girl. I did go ahead and finish unwrapping her. Everything except for my strap right here. I'm going to go ahead and finish unwrapping that strap. But what I like about her is that she's in brown, the light brown beige signature canvas. She's in the dark brown signature canvas. And then she's also in black. Her hang tag is black, and her straps are black. So I love the fact that this bag has black in it also. It kind of reminds me a little bit of my Michael Kors core line that has the brown Michael Kors signature and then the black strap as well. So upcoming in the future, I'll make sure I go ahead and do a comparison of the Michael Kors core line with this lovely bag right here. I'm in heaven, you guys. I love this color scheme. I'm loving the light brown, the dark brown Coach signature, and then the black accentuated with the black strap. I'm loving this. I'm in heaven, you guys. So I am happy with the choice that I made. Thank goodness, because like I said, initially I was, you know, I wanted the other color. So I am very happy with the choice that I made with this one. I'm happy with my purchase. So I'm really, really happy about her. I don't know why I do that. Sometimes I'm whispering. This is what she looks like on me. And I'm going to be wearing her with these boots. That's going to be so, so cute. Over the weekend or whenever I go out, I'm going to get some mod shots with this beauty with my lovely boots right here. And I think that's going to look super, super cute. Thank you, girls, so much for joining me for my unboxing video of my Kacey Satchel. Stay tuned for more unboxings from Coach. I love you guys, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.